I want to call out some things that you can expect from the demonstration. So opening a case requires an approval step, and that step is implemented using a workflow hosted within SharePoint. Opening a case also requires that you submit some initial set of documentation, and that all of that documentation is collected through an InfoPath form in our demonstration. And also, when you're opening a case, you want to know if a similar case or a related case already exists in the system, and we've implemented that capability using the fast search. I already talked about the leads and tasks being implemented as a separate subsystem using Microsoft XRM. And since it's a separate subsystem, I'm not going to be showing you this specific feature as part of my demonstration. Perhaps we can do one specifically dedicated to that later on. And in certain parts where we needed a rich immersive experience, we are using the RIA technology in the form of Silverlight to enable that. Of course, we are using workflow built into SharePoint, and then we are using claims-based security to implement the security requirements and the access control requirements that I talked about earlier. And then, of course, our goal is to maximize the use of the out-of-the-box SharePoint capabilities in implementing this system.